Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to see class 4th fundamental rights. Last class we saw what are every countries we have the constitution. According to that constitution, what is we have some rights and duties. Rights and duties. We saw what is the rights and duties in last videos we saw. Now we are going to see our fundamental rights. Okay, after India getting what as a constitution country, India is a democratic country. Then we have some rules and regulations. Now we can see what are the rules and regulations as the fundamental rights, what we have power, what we has as per the constitution in India, our Indian country, what are the rights for giving for the people. No, we can understand fundamental rights. What is mean by fundamental means, fundamental means the basic. Fundamental rights means the basic rights. No, India, if you are living in India, we are the Indian people, no. If you are living in India, we have some fundamental, we have some rights. What are the rights we can see? What is my fundamental rights? What are the rights? No, we can see. First, our constitution gives every citizen who. Citizens means, who is citizens? Citizen mean, we are the citizens. Those who are living in India. खुद का देश बोलते ना, those who living in India, we are the citizens. We are the citizens. No, those who attain 18 years, that is some rules is there, but if you are born in India, you are the citizen of India. You are the citizen of India. Citizen means अपना खुद का देश वाले, मतलब who is वहाँ पे पैदा होते हैं, but is born country, not we are living country. Then this what we are proud to India is our national our nation. Then it is a democratic nation. As we are the citizen. Who? I am a citizen. You are the citizen. Everybody here a citizen. But after 18 years, you are the real citizen. Now because of through vote, you are getting power to vote. You are getting power to vote. That's why I am telling it's a real, not like that real citizen. If you are living in India, your own nation, your own nation is called citizen. We are living in the own nation, no? That's why we are calling India is our country. So we are the Indian citizens. We are living in India, so we are the Indian citizens. Okay, citizen. For citizens means लोगों के लिए, मतलब जो रहते हैं उनके लिए. Who is living here, the peoples, those who are living here. For the people, fundamental rights, the constitution, our constitution gives every citizen, not only one or two, every citizens some basic rights. What are the basic rights? Now you can see. These are called fundamental rights. Some basic rights they gave. These are called fundamental rights. Then next, if we have rights, what are the rights we have now? Then we can see after that the points we can see what are the rights we have. There are total six. How many? Six kind of total 6 kind of. No, 6 fundamental rights. How many rights? 6. Total 6 fundamental rights. 6 fundamental rights. Okay, now we can see then if we have rights, rights are for the well-being of the citizens. What I told you, these rights are for the well-being of the citizens who is living properly in India. These people all have rights. These rights we have as per the constitution. Okay, if you are living, if there are any problem for your living, if you are having any problem for that, if you are using any constitution wise, you are using any problem, fundamental wise you are having any problem. What are the fundamental rights? What is there we can see. But if you have any problem, what you can do? What you can do? You can go to the court. We can move court when to protect these rights if they are denied. If they are denied means what? If what? We can move court to protect these rights. We can go to the court. We can protect these rights if they are denied. Denied means what? वो कुछ मतलब आपका rights नहीं देते तो, they are not giving to rights means they are not giving to you their rights means, then they will, what we can do? They are not giving rights to me or not to you. What you will do? Straightly we can go to the court. This is not, he is not giving rights. No, one place. I am speaking, when I am speaking, they are telling, yeah, you are not speaking correctly, properly, or you are irritating to any other means. If you are irritating others, if you hurt any others, straightly you can give that complaint to them. But if you are anyone talk to unwillingly, otherwise I am telling correctly, not accepting, or they are making a problem for us, what we will do? Then we can go to the court. Then we can prove I speak correctly. We can prove. Those doing wrong, no, they can get punishment. They can get punishment in front of the court. Okay, this is not needed for us. But what I am telling, fundamental rights. Fundamental rights means what? Our constitution gives every citizen some basic rights. Some basic rights. What? How many rights I told you? 6 rights they gave. Basic rights. These are called fundamental rights. These are called fundamental rights. These rights are for the well-being of the citizens. Correctly you see, these rights are for the well-being of the citizens. We can move court if it is for what? It is denied. If it is denied, we can move court to protect these rights if they are denied. Okay. Now, what are the fundamental rights? What is meant by fundamental rights? Or if fundamental rights, how many fundamental rights is there in India? Basic rights is called fundamental rights, or as per the Indian constitution gives every citizen some basic rights. This basic rights is called fundamental rights. Then basic rights is called fundamental rights. These rights are well-being citizens who is living here in India. This well-being citizens, we have every basic rights. We have a basic rights, though it is called fundamental rights. Then if it is denied, we can go to the court. As per the constitution, we can move. As per the constitution, we can move. What are the fundamental rights? 6. We can see the next video. Thank you, dear students.